Hey guys, Machines ML here. Something a little bit different today. Just want to show you this pond that I'm working on. It's a 2-level pond, so this is the main basin down here. And up top is the primary. We're just filling this right now. That's a waterfall structure, and it's supposed to cascade down into the rocks, down into that pond, and then, I don't know if you can see that, but in the center of the screen there's a pickup pipe. We've got it propped up right now to keep water from running down into it. But it actually runs to over there where there's a pump that pumps the water back up to that pile of rocks, and it washes back into this pond. So this hasn't been used in approximately 12 years. We're working on it today, trying to get it running. It's looking good so far. Good job, Mr. Frank.
You enjoy it?
I'm just making a video here for the viewers to see the hard work that we're doing today. So we're
stones,
how
it all disappear and
yeah, it's beautiful. So we've got a hose running into the pond right there, and we're filling this up, this top pond, until it starts to wash over this waterfall feature. And then if we come around the other side, I'll show you real quick the pump pit, which I've been working on all day today. Some beautiful spring flowers. This place looks fantastic. I don't know what these are called, but I like them. What are these called?
Ionomus.
Ionomus? They look like little bells. So we've got over here, that's the pickup tube in the middle of the pond. If you come over here, you can see this is our pump pit. So down inside here, we've got a 110 volt, I think it's a 2-inch electric sump pump, and it basically connects through this valve and these pipes, and it runs underground back up to that top pond. There's a power box there to feed the pump. I've actually got a float switch hooked up to this, so should the pond level drop for whatever reason, the float switch will shut off the pump and save it from damaging itself, not to run dry. There's a power switch there that runs the whole operation. I'm going to throw a timer in between there to run this system from about 7 in the morning until midnight. But yeah, it's kind of something a little bit different than fixing lawnmowers, and it's looking like it's working good. I'll make another clip to this when we get this baby running, and you can see how it performs. Thanks for watching.